Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the basics are solid. Charge the AirPods Max above 50% and pair them to your device. Next, update the OS so firmware features work correctly. Once paired, enable active noise cancellation. This isolates the headphones so you can hear changes. Then try transparency mode for reference because that contrast helps you tune. While you do this, have a familiar test track ready, one with clear vocals and bass, to judge improvements as you proceed. Now you move into active adjustments. Open the EQ presets and start with flat or vocal so you are not coloring the sound too much. You will add personality later. Make small boosts in the low-mid frequencies if vocals sound muddy, and reduce harsh highs by a few decibels to avoid sibilance. Also toggle spatial audio and head tracking to see how they change perceived depth. Once done, use an app with 1/3 octave control for precise plus// adjustments by 1-3 dB increments. Finish by optimizing physical fit. Reposition the cushions and headband so you get a consistent seal, because acoustic coupling changes bass and detail. Then compare multiple sources, phone, computer, and a USB-C DAC to confirm where issues originate. If you encounter dropouts, latency, or codec problems, reset the AirPods Max and reconnect. This often resolves corrupted Bluetooth profiles. If sound still seems off, plug into a wired DAC or try another device to isolate whether headphones or source are responsible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.